oikira abantu abange.
Mwagasomya mwansho murigererio Giteme TV ritukeriga ria Jumatano ose etichi gatatu mutenye noyo gatano na kabiri chitariki isano na isatu. Karibu sana asinchira yamene nyare gukomanya aria nyare ko bagakorekana kuro ase chinsemo aigasoro gongoro gusi na poigo nonyo kuro asense ya Kenya serikali enene arariari abirika okorekana nchinkuru kwa Matilda Obaigwa tukubwatirana nere Wilson Makori kuro ase bimanyirio na poigo nere Eugene okoretera chivicha kurase studio ya kabiri sinchira ere iya bene nane kirongo chaka ikionga kuchaka kurase bunge ya Bobasi ase ingana yogochane kigima kubwatikana no gwatika ku muriro ase skuru ya Bamura ya Nyamache Boys ase obotuko boigoro ase umuriro yo nyarete usamba enyumba yoburaro na boigo kusagana enibo yechibese chinyinge ebinto aboroki wabo bakorarira na boigo ebinto binde ebinge bierigori eryo bono ritaranyara akumanyekana korengana nechibicha icho nechibicha chanyara gosokiwa hemambi ya bono kero abaibuli banyara wikaroro boigo bare no guchana kigima ikiyachagetio muriro yo kitaranyara kuba igekumanyekana.
Hata video huwa
Kutigana nayo mugavana umukuru wa kaunti ya Kisii Muske Elvis Omariba Ongwae nikubono esogire na gutuma ngora ya kuchase chinsemo chiria cha gionseri yo gutoka ime ya Bobasi kubwatikana no gusira ku mwanchobo elita Vincent Osiemo ase okukwa chite kubwatikana ne chiburaburu cyane ketugeri tuko ria ijuma ase umuchoke ombu yali bali chache kaunti ya Kisii Muske Ongwae kaukwana litukori igoro nikubono nyarite kuhorokia kugechwa kwae no burai obubwachakire kubwatirania mangana yemeuni asorogongo rwa gusina sabolire umugusi wanja komenya no murembe nabo igokora ryo murembe chinga kichonsi nago kumenya amo una abana abamo
Ndo pole ya nduguchese familia ya oyo mintonya gosira Vincent Osiemo ose mapinduzi alengo musani one karabuna nale kuri gichukura cyobo gavana abankonyete sana na bete gavana ya ino iga Kisii County for emyaka 10 years emyaka yarenge emyaka y'omurembe na ndi yarenge nkolengeri emyaka ya magenderera mange sana nigo narenge ngakiyo no narenge gavana ya opposition narenge serikali lakini nabo tuwabwata neti nabo nali okolega zine serikali sawa nali ku balance ubugambi na atagetenga ubugambi bocho buya gusi yaito ekyabumbe na ndegenderere igo kubolia abagusi ba minto bonsi na kobatebinga igwanete tobeamo na nte tuaro gwanchani na tutuara amagenderero na ndi tusikane ikiara mangana siasa nigango mupiro yo gabana bano yo tukurigerio World Cup igoro ya Keungu Market nchebwe komanyana igonde nobororo bonge site ekiagera keumbu eri yare ngororo bari mumanyete kerongo iro bugambi buri bwa Kisii County keumbu market yare ngo abangina baminto n'abamura n'abagaka yo barenge paragati nkware goeta ari ese market eri ere gari nemete yare ngo emelinga mwe menne sana ekeronko ye kweka na jitega ari abanyabiasara bakamboria decide nkagenda nkamake a decision nga emeteri ebe kunse emeteri ekabe kunse yonsi ekara yabe kunse yonsi pi tokarosi market igari ankabaroseria market nkabeka cabros nkabeka embankment ikiara sari ariko guchigoro gari ara atambe tokarosi embankment ingiya tokarua tukabekera by the time nkoro wento wabekere chicho naende twayerose di eliegera abantu baminto banyari bari chache abantu bakeumbu garia nabaruba chabumbe banyorenga nkoni bari ibintu byabo Kenya yonsinge igo abantu baminto nigo naichanete sana korora amagena korutwa asa baminto bande n'ekinyaruka n'abamura mumanyeta abagusi baminto nga kinyaruka chikoruta amagena abagusi nigo bare gukiroka kinyaruka chimbasuku keunguma
chumurigire na singana yo koraria gusokubulya kwa Omurembe nikubono abasae be timu ya Linda Mwananchi kurega Sorogongo rwa gusiba korawa noyori omurikyo bo omonene nere Frida Onduso bono banyare gwesokia na kugendera kugikiria aria anyara gukorekana asichire ya keumbu iki yaeta na poigose batebuna ari tukoria nkyo mpachie konyara gukorokorobekana gukuraria Omurembe ane muna Sorogongo rwa gusi nikiro obagendrete kubulya buna abanasiasa batike gutumika abantu bande bobe ane muno iga Sorogongo rwa gusi na boigo gotorana Omurembe no botoereru.
Others injured at Keumbu, we expected swift action from the National Police Service. We expected the government to take it seriously. People have been crying online, videos flying left, right and center with women shouting that people should be killed, and there is an entire public outcry concerning this matter. Now sadly, my fellow citizens, on the day that these people were arraigned in court, 7 suspects arraigned in court, and guess what? That case did not happen because the prosecutor and the arresting officers did not show up. As a matter of fact, there was no file to start the case in the first place. So we are asking this government, the KK government, is it that you are deaf and dumb? Is it that you cannot hear what boliga bantu bagosoka bakura batebanga ngentekeneke
sabirense yiga chingaki chiri cyakaretwa badendingi mwana nseki bari gukwanira igoro yobo bibokoreka sense ekero bari gukwanese yari gotegerera imokango jipaba sasiroti baitu aba bishop baitu kemea mangana yagendereta abana inje bagokwa kira lituko please kora yo sengenjo buyaki yara mugusina mwanyagetinga nabantu bwato Omurembe bagokaribisa abantu bande bonse amanyinga yajago itekanga yaro abantu olovaga gunsaro olova rushing people. Please take charge onyo mwasinyu go take charge ekatibe ga goteba buya manganayo onto kunyara go yekerane karua baba go ikirani bazo office bagora manganayo.
On Thursday the 9th tunataka kutokea, kila mtu atokee. This time round hatutokei kama watu walinda mwananchi, hatutokei kama watu tunataka kuambia serikali kwa sababu hamtaki kutujali. Sisi wacha tujijali, tutokee tuambie watu tunataka amani ama namna gani? Amani ndio tunataka na tutakuwa tukitembea hadi hapo Keumbu.
Mwansho murigirana hakuru serikali yanene muraivensi ya Kenya umuske William Ruto rituko riarero mugaso rero nigubono anyarire kubeka ise na boigo goita bali chiko ryokorinda enibo yensi ya Kenya obotenengu onabono amagena yedhabu na boigo ebintu byonsi biripiko ni wakuru sensi ya Kenya gocha chinse chesko ebyo bigotumeka ko bigokonya ensi ya Kenya koinyorera enibo ase kolengana nelichikerio chibesa chire chikoni wagose chigokorwa ase nibo yo chikonyara kugachona bwo gokonya ensi chingaki emechando ya giuchumi yanyarire koba bose chingaki basokano ebintu binde binge byanyarire koba ebibigo chia byale to muchando ase uchumi na magoli ase nsengima.
Today Kenya changes again how it will preserve its wealth, and its future. Today, we enshrine in law the institution that will ensure that the prosperity of those assets we create endures for generations, and that is the National Sovereign Wealth Fund. Let me state the principle plainly, because everything I say after this flows from it. If the National Infrastructure Fund builds the assets that grow our nation, the Sovereign Wealth Fund preserves and multiplies the wealth the assets create. I know there was a question asked to the panelists. I must congratulate all the panelists who spoke here for their candor in explaining to us from their perspective, from the private sector perspective, what they see in what we are doing as government. And the question was, we have the National Infrastructure Fund, now we have the Sovereign Wealth Fund. What is the difference and what is the connection? In my very simple understanding, the National Infrastructure Fund builds our present. You know very well that we have many projects, critical infrastructure that we are desirous of building as a nation. But on the other hand, we have limited resources on how to deliver on these very critical infrastructure projects. The National Infrastructure Fund creates the bridge between the infrastructure projects that we need for our growth and the resources that will unlock the capital for us to implement this project.
Chumurigire kolengana no kupatikana no bochori oboke obo borobere gochokorekana ase bunge ya Ole Kalau nigobono muraibu kiama ya DCP Muske Rigathi Gachagua anyarire kwe murungane muna serikali niyo yatumikire chibasa chinyinge anamona soko mosegeta na bwigo kumwakira chi campaign umurwanire bwikiro kyo bunge ase leta Samuel Amuchina kurase kiama kya UDA asate birumuna nonya nabo serikali ke gutumika enibwe nyinga sensemeyo nigabantu borogongo Mount Kenya bono banyarire kuisaneka na ndeti baguchigwa kachikura guchasekia magia UDA sate birumuna DCP na nonya nabone chikwenyorera obobui ase ekirugo ekyo.
Sasa pale ndege karibu sinagongana kwa hewa mpaka tunauliza IG atafute base commander awekwe huko kwa hewani to manage traffic. Mandege pale nasunguka Ole Kalau, hatujaona kitu kama hiyo tangu dunia yubwe. Magari maprado ni zaidi ya 1000. Pale lodging mpaka bei imepandishwa. Kwa sababu sasa manyumba ni kidogo. The economy of Ole Kalau has really grown. Pale mtu mwingine alikuwa na butchery, alikuwa anachija ng'ombe 3 kwa wiki. Ameniambia kila siku anachija ng'ombe 2. Anachija ng'ombe 14. Wanaume wa kule nyama wale wamekuja kusaidia Ruto. Pombe pale inaletwa na matrera. Mpaka whisky na nini. So hii wasichana yote ya Nairobi wamehamia wapi? Sasa hiyo Ole Kalau sijui tutakaa namna gani. Mpaka wale constituency jirani wanasema Mwenyezi Mungu si pia utusaidie uchukue mjumbe wetu ndio Ruto alete pesa wapi? Hapa kwetu. Sasa tumefika, Ruto ameharibu siasa ya Kenya. To an extent, people are wishing death for their member of parliament so there is a by-election. Na hii pesa yote ni ile ameiba. Ya Kenyatta National Hospital amemwaga Ole Kalau. Ya SHA amemwaga Ole Kalau.
ya kwamba watu jirani wanaomba mheshimiwa yao.
Morai wiki mogia ODM nere omoske Obrodinga mo senator we county ya Siaya nikobono nere anyare kwesokia na kubura buna usiburi obunge ime yense nikobokoreta umuchando na bwegokorokia oburai butabwati omusimamo kaukwana kurasa umuchio Nairobi chinga murai wensi ya Kenya alinge kobekese ase amangana yokolinda obutenengu na bwegani bo yense ya Kenya nigomoske oburu atevire chinga kichinda baraimba bwana tukomukie bitambukiro ebyo nonye na bitaita na wa Kenya gusaba nanchi bigocha byaleto bya ase aba Kenya.
There is too much democracy. There should be some little benevolent dictatorship so that some things can move. Huh? You are, Mr. President, I don't want to say that you should be a dictator. I'm not saying that. But some of these things, like the social health fund, the SHA, I think people who are criticizing it don't know what, they don't go into details of what is happening. They don't know exactly what is happening. It's a very, very big transformation towards what we have been calling universal health care. We have tried, many governments have tried to introduce universal health care, and there is no other move which is nearer to the universal health care in this country than the SHA. We have covered now more than 30 million Kenyans have registered for SHA. And we have tried it before. We have tried to move on those directions. And we have not been able. We have not been able, Mr. President. And I think being bold and sometimes unpopular is not bad. It's good. Sometimes you introduce things which to some people appear unpopular, because being populist is really not helping the people. You must go down to the fundamentals and see whether you can move ahead, and people will realize very soon that some of these moves are very, very, very helpful to our country.
Tamana sana mwanchi omurigirerio Getembe TV gendera gutwara oburigirerio bya nabo igo mugasoro mutwara rukima uri ne tobusa kweba buna asembyo chitageka chinge chiribusyo murobiri oraso no murobiri vibes on vibes nchenguru kwa Matilda Obaigwa Wilson Makori kuro asevi manyererio gendera kwegena ekionga kya mwamugusi.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokemeyo mu cyobusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwasa chi company ao obusi bw'ingano amabuta y'ichinge ni kurwasa chi company ao amajani kurwasa company ya Keteba echumbya Kensalt egati bintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwasa company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ni chirangi ao nkonya bale Black Sheet egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agerera rero bwikumbolere ibintu biga aseri gurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru Complex eyerange namagacho asafaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakuru ku JM Towers angena Credit Bank ime yomuchiwo songo bakere simgwetera sechi namba chabo 0111 161 500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, grant